Do you need to recover a debt or enforce a money order? Are you unsure if you should do it yourself or engage a debt recovery lawyer? This video will explain exactly how a debt recovery lawyer can help. Debt recovery solicitors are legal practitioners admitted to practice law in their state, territory or jurisdiction who focus on the recovery of debts and the enforcement of money orders. Debt recovery solicitors are different to debt collectors because they are actually admitted solicitors who have passed the requirements to practice law in Queensland and who understand the commercial legal debt recovery process. Debt recovery solicitors offer advice and assistance in relation to the following: legal advice to creditors and debtors, letters of demand and negotiating settlements, mediation or other alternative dispute resolution, recovering unpaid accounts for your business, suing for a debt in the court or tribunal, drafting and serving a claim and statement of claim, enforcing a judgment or money order, issuing statutory demands and winding up applications, bankruptcy, personal insolvency and personal debts, credit agreements, contract terms and guarantees, caveats, the enforcement of mortgages or other securities, personal property securities registration, and Mariva injunctions or freezing orders. It's not just creditors that debt recovery solicitors act for, but we also act for debtors too. It might not always be the case that a debtor does not want to pay or doesn't have the means to pay. In some cases, a debt dispute may arise because of the following: the other party's breach of contract, or incomplete or unsatisfactory work, or the goods and services provided were not of acceptable quality, or you have a genuine offsetting claim against the other party, or any other number of genuine reasons. If this is the case, then you may have a genuine defense to a debt claim. Debt recovery matters are not always as black and white as people think. We act for both creditors and debtors, plaintiffs and defendants in all Queensland jurisdictions. If you're thinking about legal debt recovery action, then we recommend that you contact one of our debt recovery solicitors today.